It's 104 today. This thing won't even go any further. It got cloudy like this yesterday, and it sprinkled a little bit. It got pretty windy, and we're in monsoon season, and it hasn't really rained too hard here. Just sprinkles. Today it's repeating what we had yesterday at the exact same time. We got thunder up there and some sprinkles. No real rain though. The van could use a good wash, and I haven't washed it since the last rain. I think that was in April, March. Hasn't been washed since March. I don't know if you can hear the generator over there. Our neighbors got, I think they got an AC unit in there, so they're running it all day. We don't have AC, so we're sweating it out all day. And this is what I use for my AC, is a wet rag. Put it on the back of my neck. It's about 98 degrees right now. And with these clouds, it probably took it down to 95, 94. So I'm about to go inside and grab a sweater. Yeah. Not much goes on in this living in the van. Just clean the van, make lunch, make dinner, clean the van, make the bed, go to bed, wake up in the morning, make the bed, make coffee, and then repeat. Kind of boring, but it's stress-free. Last night we had a bunch of coyotes howling right in here, and sounded like they were out here too. Sounded like they were surrounding us. But we're just waiting for rain. I think I'll just stand out here while it's raining. It's like a free shower. I'm glad I charged the battery with the generator before this storm hits us. I don't know if it's gonna hit. There's no rain. But I got the battery charged up so we could ride it out. Battery should last till tomorrow. Keep our cheeses cold. That's all that's in the fridge is cheese. But yeah, this is a good cool down for us. Now if it rains, we're gonna have to close the windows so rain doesn't get in the van. And the temperature is still in the 90s, so that's gonna be hot. But I'll run the max fan so that we can get circulation, because it'll be too hot in there. The last couple of days being in the van really sucked. The heat was just too much, and then when you want to come outside, the bugs are too much, and it really makes you want to just not do this. We thought about a hotel, but we've ridden out this heat for the past couple of weeks now. So what's another few days? But yeah, the last 2 days were pretty bad. And when I have bad days like this, I think about why I did this, and I look at the pictures of the apartment that I was renting. I posted a picture in my community section. You can go check out of what I was paying for and what it looked like, and it just confirmed what I'm doing is a better choice than having to live in that for over $2,000 a month. I think if we can make it through this summer, having it be the hottest summer on record so far and the buggiest summer, I think we could make it through anything. We'll see how this winter turns out. It'll probably be the coldest and the winteriest ever. But whatever. God doesn't give you more than you can't handle.